Okay, so coming up on the episode this week, we carry on making the world's first and only FPV Jetman. Yes, this one is an exciting one, powered by twin 70mm jet turbines and a parachute at the back for landing. This is one that you don't want to miss. On this episode, we will be powering up the motors for a full system check on Ardupilot and mounting the pilot to the Jetpack. And the episode starts right now. Okay, so here we are on the bench and you can see him, there he is up there, and here is his jetpack just sitting there.
It's upside down, the parachute's underneath here, and we've got the 70mm dual EDF
yes,
there.
So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be cleaning out the electronics and making it more aerodynamic. So when we go for the flight testing phase, it'll be looking sleek and nothing will be getting, you know, adding turbulence or anything like that. We don't want that sort of thing. And what else will we be doing?
We're going to be attaching the battery inside the man and then the man to the wing.
Yeah, so let's get into it. We'll get
Batman.
Trying to grab the cable tie.
Okay, so we managed to get this zip tie through.
Nice and secure. So here we are, guys, we're just about to mount this servo, the most important servo, because this is the one that releases the parachute. So it needs to be locked in and ready to go. On the last one, this is the one that, what did it do, burn out?
Yeah, it sort of overstretched. Jammed
in that hole there, and we didn't know at the time, and it burned itself out, so we've replaced it with one that we flew on our Tiger Moth. It was the one that used to drop parachute men off.
So tried and true, right?
So it is tried and true for this particular job, and the idea is it goes into here, and this is the strap that it goes into. That way the parachute will be released. So what we're going to do now is we've made up a little mount here, and we're going to drill it in and mount it. Alrighty, okay, let's go and mount this fella. Grab another one.
So servo's in, that's good. And now we need to clean up all these wires. So we put some zip ties, make it all look nice and neat and tidy. And we also need to add a little divot in here so those wires can sit there.
So effectively what we're doing is cleaning up this area, making it sleek and aerodynamic. The ESCs are on there. What size ESCs are there, Richard?
80 amps. Alrighty, so we've got the man in place. We're going to do sort of a readjustment on those pillars that hold him in position. And then
it's a little bit too close.
And they're not mounted properly, which needs to be done. And you can't just do that kind of thing with hot glue, right? And obviously batteries need to go in, and they're going to go ideally inside the man, but I've got to do some adjustments first. So yeah, they'll sit inside it like that, give or take. And then and some battery straps need to be added to it. And then we'll be away laughing. So without further ado, montage time. Okay, so what's going to happen is I need an additional bracket off my back to attach to the wing itself. So we're going to go and do that in software over there in a second. But this is what it looks like on my back. This is the temporary one, and we need to go and do the real one. So let's get into it. Okay, so here I am in the software, and these are the brackets that need to be extended. So I'm going to pull them up.
What, 20 mil?
Yeah, so this one here is lower, and I need to do an adjustment here. I think I need to add maybe a 45-degree chamfer edge just to make it fit a bit better, and then we can attach it to my back. So let's go and jump in. Okay, so the parachute has to attach to the main strut. body, because you don't want to just attach into any old thing. It's got to attach to something that's substantial.
It's the main part that brings them down safely, so we wanted to attach to the main strut.
So, and of course, naturally, the main strut just happens to coincide with this particular piece. So we've made a little extrusion, and then we're just going to cut it through in your main line for the parachute, and it'll go around there and hook onto it, and then you have something to attach to.
And that way he comes out safe and sound.
Well, we can't guarantee that, but at least you'll have something structured to hold to for the parachute. Okay, so we've got these mount structures all made up. I think we're going to use the PETG because we want a bit more extra strength. So I'm just going to go and put it on the slicing plate, slice it all up and put it on the printer. Okay, so here we are. We're busy in the world of printing. Once again, we seem to do that quite a lot these days. But there you go. This is the guy that we're competing against, or with. And everything seems to be going well so far. It's about 19% into the print.
It's got like another hour 40 to go, and this will be the back mounts.
Hold the man to the plane, basically.
Hoping that the batteries will be able to stay in there, not the weight of the batteries pull them off.
Yeah, so we have to attach it properly with like what, screws and glue and all that kind of stuff.
Keep monitoring it, and then we'll go and start assembling it. And 3, 2, 1, go! HR Racing, Racing, yeah! Welcome to the show, the HR Racing Show! And we are your hosts, I'm Harry.
And I'm Richard, and thanks so much for joining in on this FPV RC Jetman, or Jetpack series.
Yes, there you go, and it's not the only jetpack that we're making on the channel.
That's right, we're making the drone pack as well, but that's full scale.
This is a miniaturized version of Richard. What kind of scale are you thinking?
I'm thinking,
comment below.
Comment below, that's right, yeah.
And be nice about that scale.
Yeah, that's right, so this is the Jetman, or what we're dubbing the Jetpack, FPV RC Jetpack series. Jetman series.
So it's the FPV Jetman. So there you go, that's what it's all about. And on the series so far, what have we been up to?
We've done quite a lot. So we started right at the very beginning with the design concept, all the way through CAD designing, assembly, 3D printing in multicolors, and of course, Ardupilot configuring, parachute calculating, designing, sewing, and testing. And now what we're doing is we're attaching the man to the jetpack.
Where did we get the inspiration to make this series?
It all goes back to the Dubai jetpack man, the guy that did it for real, and he flew alongside
a Boeing 747.
Yeah, very cool. Very cool stunt. And of course, he dropped in via helicopter. So of course, this guy's keeping very much with the theme as well. He has to be dropped from air delivery. And of course, keeping with the theme, he is parachute landing only.
It's an exciting series, so make sure you stick with us on this one. If you haven't done already, make sure you give the thumbs up and subscribe for the flight testing and all that stuff coming up. Okay, saying that, let's carry on with the series. In 3, 2, 1, race! Okay, so there you go, guys. The parts are printed out. There you go. So they look odd shapes, yes, but for us, this is gold right here. So the idea will be that they'll be going into here, one at the front, and we'll be swapping that one out there in a second to go in that way. When we originally designed this one, we designed it so modular and upgradable. So what we do is you can see that carbon rod there, and that one there is designed. So we pull this out here, and this is how you put the guy in. If you pull that out there, carbon fiber will go through that hole there, and that's the one. Once that goes in there like that, push the carbon rod back through, and then they'll be fixed in place. And this also doubles as holding the nacelles on. So very key, very important part to keep the jet engines on. So it needs to be locked in, and it goes all the way to there. And the same with this side, but to access that, we've designed it to take it out from this side. So let's go and unscrew that. There you go, so those drop off like that. And then we'll pull that out there. Is it through?
Probably comes out quite a way.
Yeah? Probably about there.
Yeah, try it.
Pop. And the new one, go in there like this, I think. Trying to get this up?
Yeah, so it's a temporary, it's the original temporary one that we only put there to be semi-permanent, but it's starting to think that it is permanent. We'll get it off, don't you worry.
We are tonight's entertainment.
Okay, so we need to put this, one of the last pieces, in to its placement. It's back in, there you go. And then of course, now you know it can hold the whole thing like that. That's right, so effectively what's going to happen is this guy, what we're going to do next is mount him like that.
We'll clear the power distribution board, which is the thing you can see under there, mounted in a previous episode, so make sure you go back and check all that out.
We need to allow for this mount and attach them into his back here and here. And also, of course, he doubles as a
Battery mount, so we need some straps for that too.
It's like that, and then we've got some straps here, there and there kind of thing. So that's what we're going to do, and then of course the main two mounts here and here. Effectively it's like that. I put that one in there, and then that one goes in the front.
You don't have really that much room to spare, do you?
Like that.
When we designed it, there's only millimeters to spare.
There you go. That's effectively what we're talking about like that. But there you go, the batteries fit. So perfect batteries for that placement.
It's like we planned this.
It's like I set that up.
Okay, so what are we going to do to mount that, Richard? We're going to use some brass
heat sinks. Let's start with an easy one.
Tightening it down.
So we'd never do that to a human.
Yeah, just bolt this here. Take that. Take that on your back. Enjoy that. We've managed to get the guy on with the back part. Now we have to do the front. So I think the best idea, what do you reckon? We should pull the pin on this one, take it up together. What do you think?
Yeah. Okay, so we're just fitting it.
For the very first time.
And it's obviously a lot more firmer because...
Cool.
Okay. Okay, so now we need to put the
battery straps. Another one going in. Another happy customer.
Another one like it does.
Nailed it. Swish. And that'll be the second battery to mount, and that's one there, and we're going to put it in now. Hopefully it fits in good.
I don't think it'll go anywhere.
No, don't think so. Down to the millimeter.
Done.
What?
Those aren't going anywhere, and then he can just go straight up like that. Now he's powered by 2 6S light bulbs.
you can hear the energy. There you go, he's electrified right now.
It's pretty cool. So it's going to go like that, and of course we're going to need to do a Y parallel from this battery and to this battery at the same time, right? So this is a 1300, that's another 1300, and then it'll be times together. But we want to keep the voltage. So yes, parallel to
harness for that. Okay, so we need to change them out to an XD60 plug.
Yeah, so we're going to go and solder that together right now. Okay, so we're going to run a full systems check just to make sure everything's going correctly, because we've done some major electrical upgrades. So yeah, so full systems check. We've got the transmitter here. Yep, it's working.
Return to home. Flight mode stabilized.
Okay, so that's great to see. That means the flight controller is talking with the GPS and receiver. So there you go, so that's good. And what's next, Richard?
Okay, so we're just going to do a quick test to see if it arms.
Motors armed.
And it looks like it does.
Perfecto.
Sound.
Okay, so
we've got the feed coming in from the FPV camera, which is over there.
So plug it in.
Plug it in, see what happens.
All good. Clink. Okay, here we go.
Sounds good. Good tone. Yeah.
Okay. Looks all good.
VTEX is happily singing away there with his cooling fan. There's always so many different things to check, right?
Yep, and it's got it. So there you go. There's the FPV up there. You can see it coming through.
Oh yeah, nice. Yeah,
cool.
Yep.
Okay, so
that's good.
That's good. That's coming through. And I guess the ultimate test is to see
if everything's working correctly.
Yeah. Disarmed at the moment. Hopefully it's all good.
Motors armed.
Sounds good. Good tone. Yeah, good movement. Yeah.
Right, left, up, down. That's good so far.
Do it again.
Disarm.
Okay, try one time.
Okay, still going on the VTX, that's fine. So that's a good test. So that means that the replacement servo is working. So we try again.
Yep, and then hopefully the engines, a little spin on them.
Let's try.
Make sure they go in the right direction.
Motors armed.
Yeah, armed over there, so we're okay.
Yep.
Right, left, up, and down. Okay, so engine test. Okay, 1 and 2. Yeah, so they're spinning in the right direction. Can you see that?
Yeah, is it? Excellent.
Cool. Yes. Cool. So that means that we've got all that correct. All right. So saying that, back to H&R Drone Racing HQ. Back. Yeah, so there you go. Thanks for sticking with us in this exciting series of the FPV Jetman. And the next time you'll see this, he'll be in the air. That's right. So we are evolving. We're moving into the world of flight testing phase. Very exciting stuff, and it's all happening very shortly. Yeah, so very cool. Along with many of our other projects on the channel, including the FPV Wingsuit series. There you go. Very cool. Okay, so saying that, what did we learn? We learned that the man is officially attached to the jetpack or jetwing, and we've got the batteries mounted. Everything seems to be nominal. Power system's working correctly. Engine's working. Flight system and flight controller are working correctly along with the servos, and everything seems to be ticking all the boxes. Okay, so saying that, moving on to the next segment on the show, the movie of the week. And the movie of the week is, like we've said before, Triple X. That's where it's at. Vin Diesel. There you go. That's the movie that you should check out. And why should they check that one out?
Well, isn't the slogan a new breed of special agent?
Yeah, there you go. And also Tony Hawk's in that one, so there you go. Very cool from those guys, so you should check that movie out. Okay, so here you go, guys. Make sure you stick around for wind tunnel testing and maiden flights coming up. Exciting stuff. Let's get into it. Okay, so there you go. So moving on to the next segment on the show. Final thoughts. Yeah, so the final thoughts are, make sure you can check us out on live streams. Come and join us in on these builds and others. That's right. So currently we're working on 2 different live stream sections. One is on the RC Eagle. We're making a 3D printed plane, and there's a series going, it's quite popular at the moment. And the other one is the RC Subskimmer, which is the boat design, half boat, half submarine. And of course you can join in and support the channel on Patreon, Discord, and all the other social medias. We're quite active. So remember, thanks very much. We have to thank all our sponsors. And special thanks to everyone once again, and we'll see each other in the next one. And 3, 2, 1, go! H&R Racing, H&R Racing, H&R Racing, yeah!